I'm going to show you how to get rid of these missing labels. First of all, this is a dummy account. It's not a real person. What I want to do is open up the assignments page. So I'm going to open up a new tab here and click on assignments. Then I'm going to go to my code, and in this case I'm going to turn off the missing labels, but I will leave the late labels. I copy that into the clipboard, and then I open up the developer tools with F12. I look for the console and I paste in my code, and then I hit enter. And over on the network tab we can see that it's making all kinds of calls, and it's working. That number is up to 23. That's the number of assignments and submissions that it had to change, and now it's done. That took about 13 seconds. If I come back over here to the grades for Danny test and I reload that page, I see that the lates remain, but the missings are gone. Now let's say that I want to change the late, but only for this single assignment, Chapter 3, Quiz 2. From my assignments page, I can go to Chapter 3, Quiz 2, open that up. This time in my code, I'm going to set the late to true as well. And then when I come back over here and go to the console, I can paste in that code and hit enter. And it is done. Finished setting labels already. If I come back over here to Danny test and reload that page, now I see the late is gone for just that one assignment. If I wanted to change it for all quizzes, I wouldn't go to a specific quiz, just the quiz page in general. This time I'm going to reset it so that the late label shows back up, and I'm also going to leave the missing. So what this will do will turn back on missing and late for all quizzes. So now that I'm on the quiz main page, I paste in that code, hit enter, let it do its process. This time it had 8 of them and it's finished. And if I come back over here to Danny test and I hit the reload, I see that we now have a late on that one quiz that we turned off, and we have some missing, but only the missing for the quizzes, not for anything else. Hopefully this explains it enough that you know what to do.